Go.
Hey guys, David here at Cherokee Auto Group. Wanted to do a video of this thing in action right here. This is a 1991 one-owner Ford F600 dump truck. This was owned by the local school board, and it's had a pretty easy life, you know, as a dump truck. Usually these are destroyed. The cab is in great shape, rock solid, original cab. A little damage right here. Tires look really good. Good shape throughout. Got the saddlebag. Fuel tanks on it, batteries in there. It's got the gripper rear tires. I'm gonna take a bunch of pictures of it, but all this works. The little netting for when you got a load in the back. I'm gonna crank it up here for you, so you can kind of see what's going on. We'll undo this side here. And undo this side here. This thing's rock solid, no rust. Let's see. 137,000 original miles. Air conditioned cab. Look at that baby crank up. This is the inline 6-cylinder turbo diesel. See your AC working? It's also the 134 air in it. I'm going to show you how the dump bed works. What you do, come in. Engage your PTO, which is your power takeoff. Pull this up right here. Show it working in action there. So it's good to give a little throttle when you get it up, get that PTO going. Look at that. Works wonderfully. I'll show you the PTO up here. He's got the gripper tires here. PTO's working good. Now let's show a picture of it coming down. So just come in, push this right here. Works on the fan. Pass this off from Dylan here a second. So your gauge is doing great, 137,000 original miles. Now pop this in here. Look at that thing, already down. I just fired that in there. Cold AC, already down in the blue in the 40s. Great oil pressure. And what you'll do here, when you're done here, you can turn that off right there. This is an air brake truck. This releases your air brakes right here. And this pulls them back on. Reverses back over towards you and it drives down. Power steering. Dash has some cracks, as you can see. You're not going to be taking this to a car show anyway, but actually pretty dang good. Seat's not too bad. Vinyl floor's in good shape. And down through here, like we were showing you, super solid. This thing's ready to go. Just keep an eye on all the fluids, double check her, and make sure she's doing good. We'll let Dylan close that right there. If you have any questions on this thing, you can give us a call at 770-345-0282, or you can see us on the web 24/7 at CherokeeAutoGroup.com. You can kind of see what you're getting for your money there. Hope you enjoy.